Hi, my name is Jerome Lewis, and I am the marketing director for Digital Real Estate Strategy. Digital Real Estate Strategy helps real estate entrepreneurs, real estate agents, real estate investors with their tech and marketing needs, right? So we help you build websites, funnels, et cetera, et cetera. Just recently, right, I'm a national speaker and I published this book. And because I published this book, we have been getting a lot of customers coming in and we haven't been able to handle the overflow. So we need to hire someone else to build funnels for us. And in addition to me, like I just flashed this book, in addition to me flashing this book, I just published that book and I needed a premium funnel built for that book. So I saw Pritam on Facebook and I responded to his post and he showed me some of the example work. And I want to talk about the experience in working with him, right? So Pritam has been very professional. He's been very prompt and the experience he gave us, he over delivered. Right. So if you're needing a premium funnel, I highly recommend that you go with Pritam. His services are beyond what you expect. That funnel that he's built for us is amazing. And the time that he delivered is amazing as well. So Pritam, again, thank you so much for your service. Thank you for helping us with the overflow of clients. And we plan on bringing you much more business. Thank you so much, Pritam.